Wondering where your save files are for Marvel Cosmic Invasion on AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, launch Marvel Cosmic Invasion and create at least one save. This ensures the game sets up the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their saves locally. Your progress in Marvel Cosmic Invasion is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you where the save files for Marvel Cosmic Invasion are located. These paths only apply to games from AnkerGames. Other sources may use different locations. You can back up your Marvel Cosmic Invasion saves by copying the folder. Save it on a USB or cloud drive and restore it anytime. That's it. Your Marvel Cosmic Invasion saves are local, secure, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips to get the most out of your games.